Imagine going to a doctor and being told to stay in bed for back pain, take aspirin every day, or even have surgery for a condition that might not need it. Now imagine finding out years later that those recommendations were wrong. Medicine is constantly evolving. As scientists gather better evidence, treatments once considered standard practice can be abandoned, replaced, or even reversed completely. These changes are called medical reversals, moments when new research shows that a widely accepted medical practice doesn't actually help patients, or may even cause harm. In today's video, we'll explore 7 surprising times medicine changed its mind. From back pain treatments to common surgeries and everyday medications, these medical reversals reveal how science is always questioning itself in the search for better healthcare. And make sure you stay until the end, because some of these treatments were recommended to millions of people around the world. Let's get started. 1. Bed rest for back pain for decades. If you went to a doctor with back pain, there was a good chance you'd be told to stay in bed and rest until the pain went away. The idea seemed logical. If your back hurts, avoiding movement should give it time to heal. As a result, millions of people spent days, or even weeks, lying in bed whenever they experienced back pain. But researchers eventually began to question whether this advice was actually helping patients recover. When scientists compared people who stayed active with those who remained on bed rest, they found something surprising. People who continued gentle daily activities often recovered faster and experienced less disability than those who stayed in bed. Extended bed rest could actually weaken muscles, reduce flexibility, and slow recovery. Today, most experts recommend staying as active as possible within your comfort limits. While severe cases may require short periods of rest, prolonged bed rest is no longer considered the best treatment for most types of lower back pain. It's a perfect example of a medical reversal. A treatment that sounded sensible, was widely accepted for years, and then was overturned when better evidence became available. 2. Daily aspirin for everyone. For many years, taking a low-dose aspirin every day was considered one of the simplest ways to protect your heart. Doctors often recommended it to healthy adults, especially as they got older, because aspirin can reduce the formation of blood clots that may lead to heart attacks and strokes. The advice became so popular that millions of people began taking a daily aspirin as part of their routine, even if they had never had a heart problem. But as larger and more detailed studies were conducted, researchers discovered that the picture wasn't so simple. While aspirin can help certain people who already have heart disease, the benefits for otherwise healthy adults were often much smaller than expected. At the same time, aspirin was found to increase the risk of serious bleeding, including bleeding in the stomach and even the brain. For many healthy people, those risks could outweigh the potential benefits. Today, doctors no longer recommend daily aspirin for everyone. Instead, the decision is based on a person's individual risk factors, medical history, and overall health. It's another striking medical reversal. A treatment once promoted for millions of healthy adults is now recommended much more selectively. 3. Stomach ulcers are caused by stress. For much of the 20th century, doctors believed that stomach ulcers were mainly caused by stress, spicy foods, or having an overly acidic stomach. Patients were often told to avoid certain foods, reduce stress, and take medications to control stomach acid. While these treatments sometimes helped with symptoms, they didn't address the real cause. Then, in the early 1980s, 2 researchers made a shocking discovery. They found that many stomach ulcers were actually caused by a bacterium called Helicobacter pylori, or H. pylori. At first, the medical community was skeptical. The idea that bacteria could survive in the harsh acidic environment of the stomach seemed impossible. But study after study confirmed the finding. Doctors soon realized that many ulcers could be treated, and often cured, with antibiotics that eliminated the bacteria. This completely transformed ulcer treatment and helped millions of patients avoid years of recurring pain and complications. It's one of the most famous medical reversals in history. A condition once blamed largely on stress turned out to be caused by an infection. 4. Arthroscopic knee surgery for osteoarthritis. For years, one of the most common treatments for knee osteoarthritis was a procedure called arthroscopic knee surgery. During the operation, surgeons would insert small instruments into the knee to clean out damaged tissue, smooth rough cartilage, and flush away debris. The logic seemed straightforward. If the knee joint was damaged, cleaning it up should reduce pain and improve movement. As a result, hundreds of thousands of these procedures were performed every year. But researchers decided to put the surgery to the test. In several studies, patients who received the surgery were compared with patients who underwent physical therapy, or in some cases, a sham surgery where no actual repair was performed. The results surprised many doctors. Patients who had the real surgery often improved no more than those who didn't receive the procedure at all. For many people with osteoarthritis, the surgery provided little or no additional benefit over non-surgical treatments. Today, arthroscopic surgery is no longer routinely recommended for most cases of knee osteoarthritis, with exercise, physical therapy, weight management, and other treatments often being preferred. It's a powerful reminder that even procedures that seem logical and become widely accepted must be tested against solid scientific evidence. 5. Hormone replacement therapy for heart protection. For many years, hormone replacement therapy, often called HRT, was widely prescribed to women after menopause. Doctors believed it did more than relieve symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats. Many experts thought it could also help protect women from heart disease. Because of this, millions of women were encouraged to use hormone therapy for long-term health benefits. But then, large clinical studies began examining whether those benefits were actually real. The results were unexpected. Researchers found that hormone replacement therapy did not provide the heart protection many had hoped for. In some women, it was even linked to an increased risk of serious health problems, including blood clots, stroke, and certain types of cancer. The findings forced doctors to rethink years of medical advice. Today, hormone replacement therapy is still used, but its purpose has changed. Instead of being recommended broadly for heart protection, it is generally prescribed to help manage menopausal symptoms, with the risks and benefits evaluated for each individual patient. 6. Routine antibiotics for colds and flu. For decades, antibiotics were commonly prescribed for illnesses like the common cold, the flu, and many sore throats. Patients often expected a prescription when they visited the doctor, and many doctors believed it was the best way to help people recover. There was just one problem. Antibiotics are designed to kill bacteria, but colds and flu are caused by viruses. That means antibiotics do little or nothing to treat these illnesses. As scientists studied antibiotic use more closely, they discovered another serious issue. The overuse of antibiotics was helping bacteria evolve resistance, making infections harder and harder to treat. In other words, using antibiotics when they weren't needed wasn't just ineffective, it was creating a global health problem. Today, doctors are much more careful about prescribing antibiotics. In many cases, they are reserved for confirmed or strongly suspected bacterial infections. 7. Strict bed rest. During pregnancy, for many years, pregnant women experiencing complications such as high blood pressure, bleeding, or the risk of premature labor were often prescribed strict bed rest. The reasoning seemed obvious. If physical activity might put stress on the body, then staying in bed should help protect both the mother and the baby. As a result, countless women were told to spend weeks or even months resting for most of the day. But when researchers began studying the effects of bed rest, they found surprisingly little evidence that it actually improved pregnancy outcomes in many situations. In fact, prolonged bed rest could create new problems. Women on extended bed rest faced a higher risk of blood clots, muscle weakness, bone loss, stress, and financial hardship from being unable to work or carry out normal activities. Over time, medical organizations concluded that routine bed rest should no longer be prescribed for many pregnancy complications unless there was a very specific medical reason. Today, treatment plans are generally more individualized, with doctors focusing on interventions that have stronger scientific support. These 7 medical reversals reveal something fascinating about science and medicine. The goal of medicine isn't to prove that doctors are always right. It's to keep testing ideas, challenging assumptions, and following the evidence wherever it leads. Treatments that once seemed obvious, like bed rest for back pain, daily aspirin for healthy adults, or routine antibiotics for colds, were accepted for years before better research showed a different picture. And that's actually good news. It means that medical knowledge is constantly improving, helping patients receive safer and more effective care than ever before. It also makes you wonder, which medical practices that we accept today might be reconsidered in the future? If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which medical reversal surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.